Once you click on finish, the new pop-up will open. Here one small sheet you can see with the proper grid alignments. So each grids have 0.1 inches away. So use the mouse scroller, scroll in and scroll out to zoom in and zoom out. Wherever the mouse pointer is there it will zoom in and zoom out. So this is a sheet where we have to add the circuit. So within this sheet, so you should not exceed this boundary to make a proper circuit, and this is the origin of the sheet. So here in the left side panel we have a selection option and then component mode. First one is the selection option, so you can use this option to select the components or area within this particular sheet. Second option we have here is the component mode. When you click on this component mode, it will obviously select it as a library file. So in the component mode we have two options here, P and L. P refers to the parts here and L refers to the library. So if you want to see the parts, you click on the P. If you want to go for the library, you click on the L. So I'm click on the P here, so I can choose any kind of components here. You can see the components pictures here. So we have a component list here. So subcomponents or commodities with respect to those components. Whenever you select any one, so that symbol will come here, and if any footprints is available, footprints will be shown in this picture. For example, we'll take a connector here. So I'll take FCI connector. So this is the symbol of FCI connector here, and this is the PCB footprint for that particular connector. So this is how the library works here. So the subcategory also we have here in this column. So you can choose the D type connectors. In the D type connectors we have, this is the sub D connector kind of connectors will come here. So serial connections we can make it using this subcategory. So if you click on the diodes here, so we have a subcategories in the diodes. So in the diodes we have a bridge rectifier in this section. If you see, we have a generic diodes, we have rectifiers, Schottky diodes, switching diodes. So many diodes types we have. This is a bridge rectifier. I'll choose a generic diode. Generic is just a normal diode. Rectifiers, it is also used for rectification. So like we have a Schottky diode. If you choose the Schottky diode, so many other options are available inside this. So this is this is the main category, and this is a subcategory. And here in the below we have a manufacturer. So you can choose even the manufacturer wise components. You can choose it, because we are getting symbol as well as footprint both.